Hello everyone, welcome to my Unreal Engine tutorial series on how to create an open world game. So this time I'm going to show you how to change the blend space of this character animation when the sword is equipped. So as you can see now, this is free walking, and when this guy equips the sword, he goes into a different blend space as here, like this one. Without sword he's walking like this, with sword he's walking like this. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so let's find out some animations for suitable for locked on stance. Right, let me type sword. Well, this one should be the one I should be using, but since I don't have a shield yet, I think I should use this one. Right, this one is better, I think. Let's download this one without a skin, and also we need this walk right or walk forward. Yeah, this. Oh, I should get this in place, otherwise I would have a problem, so I'll delete that one. If I download it without in place, then that animation will have some movement, the animation itself, so that would be a problem. Right, and also I need walk back. Alright, let's integrate these animations first, and then let's complete the blend space. So where is my blend space? This is my character, and this is the mesh, and this is the animation blueprint, and in here this is my free walk blend space, and this is my crouched blend space. And I'll open this one. Okay, and I'm gonna duplicate this, and I'll call it BSP armed, because I'm gonna use this blend space when this character has equipped the sword. Right, I'll put my animations here. Where did I download? Okay, this three. Right, now so I'll open my duplicated blend space, which was in, where was it again? Here. Right, and for this one I'll use stand idle in the sword, not in the free walk, folder, the one in the sword, this one, and this should be work, standing work forward, right, that. And also I downloaded some back, yeah, this one, I'll put it here. Right, so this is my Blendspace armed. Okay, so now how do we define that this guy is armed? So for that I will use actually that, yeah, it should come under here, because let's check this one first. Crouched. Okay, and these two animations should be replaced because they are not in crouching position. Okay, so I will use another blend pose by bool with sword, with some boolean variable like called sword equipped or something similar. Okay, so I'll get this one here and use the same variables which defines speed side and speed forward. And once again, if you are not sure how did we came up with this Blendspace, you can refer to my previous videos which will explain this how do we came up with these axis values and these places for the animations and what is a Blendspace itself is. Alright, so now I'm gonna blend these two with blend pose by bool, and for the false one I'm going to use this, for the true one I'm going to use this, and then for the false I'm going to put this one. So here what happens is and I'll promote this to a variable and I'll call it armed. Okay, so this is what happens here. So whenever I am armed or I have equipped my sword, this Blendspace will be applied. Otherwise this Blendspace will be applied, free walk. And then this the combination, the blending of these two will go to this blend pose node, and here if the character is crouching, this crouched Blendspace will be played. Otherwise this Blendspace, the result of this node will be played. Okay, I'll put this same true blend time and false blend time. I think they should work fine. And also I need a way to set the value of this armed variable. So where should I put that? We have implemented this BPI character animation interface, and I'll open that and I'll add another function called toggle armed. So yeah, once again I'll quickly the reason to put this into this interface is so that we can access this implementation of this function in this BP armed without having a concrete reference. Okay, enable. Right now I'll implement that function in my animation blueprint. Where did I implement my right next to this one? I'll add that here. Toggle armed, not that. Toggle armed. Okay, and I'll set this variable with whatever the input I get here. Right, now then I should call this one whenever I equip my sword. So that is controlled in my 𝐒𝐻𝐸𝐭 character blueprint under fight and here toggle sword. Right, and here I should where is my, do I have a reference to my character blueprint and a BP animation blueprint? I think no. So let's create one, and I can of course use it like this when I have as I have done in here, mesh get anim instance like that. But since I am going to access this frequently, I'll define it as a variable. So at the event begin play, where is the begin play, and event crop here, and promote this to a variable. I'll call it BPA, stands for animation blueprint. Now I'll just call it anim BP. Right, okay, now I can use this here, toggle armed like this, and as the input I'll just put this sword equipped variable. Okay, it's time to test. So I'll first test it only by myself without the AI character. Okay, something is wrong. Well, the problem is definitely in my Blendspace. I think I have by mistake put the walk back animation when the forward speed is 0. Let's fix that. Okay, right, so here's the problem. This is a speed forward 100 and 200, and this is the 0 position. So this 2 should be here. Right, let's see. Right, now it is okay. When I am without this sword, he is like this, and when I equip this sword, he goes into this stance. And well, this is when it's running, and yeah, when I'm walking it is like this, and still I have some problem. I think I should decrease this a little bit. Let's see. Otherwise it looks like the character is floating. Still not good enough. Maybe the problem is in my BPA animation. Right here, I think I should have defined some blend type linear. No. Okay, so yeah, let's check the speed of the character when walking. And the walk speed is 300. Right, and therefore this animation should be at 300, which is somewhere here, right here. Okay, let's see. It's running. Okay, the animation is correct, but the speed of the animation is wrong. Let's fix that. Let's increase the speed of this animation a little bit. Something like, instead of 1, something like 1.6. And let's see. Okay, so this is how it looks when it is walking. And actually when the character is locked onto another character, the speed should be a little bit slower, but let's fix it later. So for now it is like this when it is equipped, and when it is not equipped it is like this, and equipped it is like this. Okay, so let's fix that side movement animations now, because as you can see here, when this character is trying to reach in us, right, he should work onto sides looking at us. We can fix them using these animations. Walk right in place, and yeah, I'll download it, and walk left, this one. Oops. And run, because the running animation I already have is does not suitable for us when the sword is equipped, right? Okay, I'll import these animations as well, and sword. And for the run animation, I'll add that run forward, right? And this one, right? This one, and left, standing walk left. Alright, now this should be complete. Let's check. Okay, when the sword is equipped, it's not running like he used to, which is this one. This is the free running, and this is the equipped running, and I should definitely fix the speed of this animation. 1.6. Let's see. Okay, he looks a bit like a cartoonist because he's okay. So once we fix or reduce the speed of the character when the sword is equipped, it will look okay. Alright, so that's all for today, and see you in the next episode. In the next episode, I hope to implement attacking. Okay, goodbye.